Hello guys, this is Favor from Gold Prince FSing now. So welcome back to the channel. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you come to my comment section and ask unnecessary questions, I will not answer you, because anyone who watch this video to the end will not ask those, unless it's a question that I've seen it in my comment section. I will be like, I didn't say something about this, I will answer you. But if it's something that I've already said in the video, please, I will not answer. Just watch the video to the end, because I'm already stressed. I'm tired of talking, too much talking from morning, guiding my mentees, teaching all those things. I'm tired. So I'm just doing this video so that this account will not get expired, so that you can also claim. So as you can see, this Telegram channel is where I post Forex updates, signals for free. So you can join in. If you want to join in. It's for free. So I posted this one yesterday. You fill out this form to claim a free 5k account when they launch. So join this channel so that you can come and claim it too. Yeah, here is it. I posted it yesterday. So if you join the channel, you can come and see it and claim the free $1,000 account. So on this video, I want to show you how to claim a free $1,000 trading account. Whether you are a new client in this program or not, you can still claim a free $1,000 account. You heard what I said? You can still claim it. But before I go into it, what you have to do is that check the description of this video. You will see the channel link, this link, the link for the channel. Yeah, click on it, join the channel. You can be getting free signals, not just Forex updates, free signals. I don't charge. Those people that charge $100 for signal, 200, I don't do that. I make money, you also make money with me. It's better for you to come, it's better than for you to come and be billing me, telling me your family problems and stories. Just join me making money. So if you, as you can see, I'm scrolling through the channel, you can see the signals have to drop. 95% win rate is a short year. Okay, I mostly trade gold. You can see what's happening here. So we focus on intraday trading and scalping. So we mainly trade gold. Okay, so God has been so faithful and great to us here. So you can join in. Just click on the link in the comment section or in the description and join this channel, and then you'll be getting Forex updates, free signals, guidance, mentorship, and all of that. So like I said, the account is very easy to claim if you have already claimed the account, because when I posted this account, a lot of people messaged me and they told me that they've already claimed the account. But when they claimed the account, the profile was new, and what they discovered is that they have time limit. They give 30 days. If you can't pass the challenge within 30 days and receive the live account, the account will be terminated or disabled. So some people dumped the account because of the time limit. So what I want to let you know now is that they have upgraded their site. Their maintenance they did is great now, because they were working on the site. Sorry, so they have already done the work and the site is moving smoothly now. So what you do is that you just click on the link. If you join this channel, the link is posted on this channel. Okay, the link is posted on the channel. Just click on the link. If you have already claimed an account on this profile, what you have to do is that you have to claim the account for having the app installed on your phone. Like me personally, I already claimed the account, but I still claim the account because I have the app installed on my phone already. So if you want me to show you the accounts I still claim, I can show you. Let me show it to you so that you know it's real. So here's my MT5, here's the accounts. Okay, here's the 1k account. So you can trade the account, it's tradable. Understand? So here's the account. I claim it today. So back to our Telegram channel. So click on the link, and to pop up on your phone screen, you will click on claim the account. Understand? For having the app installed. So I will show you an image here in this Telegram channel for you to know what to do. So like this one, I posted it yesterday. It's a free 5k profile account you can claim. When they launch, they will send it to you. If you just follow the steps here, follow their Instagram, the Discord, and all of that. So that's what I do here. I will drop free signals, free updates. That even if you're not my mentor, if you're not my mentee, you can still claim an account. Like I said, I'm so stressed and tired, so because I've been talking, teaching, and all of that. So that's why I advise you to watch this video to the end, so you'll not be asking me questions because I will not answer. I'm tired already. You'll say here's the account. You can see everything free, $1,000 get for free. 2 steps. This one is for someone that just signed up newly. You claim this, and I believe a newcomer can still claim the one for the app, because if you install the app, you should be rewarded. But if you have already claimed this, maybe when you first uh, heard about this program, you came and claim this, you can claim the one that is written one step plus app only. This one is when you have the app. You click on get for free, the one with the red circled ink. You click on get for free. When you click on get for free, you get the account logins. So I posted here. If you get the account login, what you do is that you come here and click on login info. You will see your login details. You log in on MT5. I showed you the MT5 account. I logged in already. Okay, so it's $1,000 account. So people have claimed the account already. This guy claimed the account and told me login to for my MT5. He has logged in already to MT5. So he tried trading PTC on this account and he can't open a trade. You know why? Because of the leverage. So if you don't watch this video to this particular clip, I pity you because you will miss something here. So while claiming the account, they will ask you, you see it on the screen, 1:100 leverage and 1:30 leverage. So the 1:100 leverage is not advisable because news trading is not allowed on that particular leverage. If you go for that, if you mistakenly trade during the news, the account will be disabled and you will still come back here and tell me that it's a scam. Please don't do that. Make sure you listen to what I'm telling you here. Choose the one that is written 1:30 leverage, because that one, news trading is allowed, weekend holding is allowed, and I think overnight holding too is allowed. So that one should be V Pro if I'm not mistaken. But just check the leverage is 1:30. Choose that before you claim the. And I believe if you just go into the site, that's what will pop up automatically. You will see it here automatically. You see it there. The 1:30 leverage is what. Don't change it to 1:100, please. So that's why this guy can't claim BTC, can't trade BTC on the account because the leverage is too small. So trade currency pair and gold. Trade currency pair and gold first before you can trade BTC on that account. Trade currency pair and gold first before you can trade BTC on that account. Choose 1:30 like I said. And those of you that follow this video to this particular end, I believe you won't have any unnecessary questions. So like I said, the link is posted here in the comment section or the description. Click on the link, join the channel. That's the only people I can guide because I'm already tired. I won't be entertaining questions in the comment section. Even if you ask, if the question is not here in the video, I will answer you. But if I've already answered the question here in the video, I will not answer you. Sorry for that. So please, if you already watched this video to this particular end, you can just comment done. You understand? And subscribe to the channel. Please share the video to your fellow forex traders. They might be interested. Like this video, and as well, please don't fail to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and join this Telegram channel, and you'll be receiving forex updates, free signals, and mentorship. Thank you for watching.